Hello everyone, Stan Heller here for VectorVest Canada. Today I am very excited to introduce our brand new Canadian Portfolio Challenge. We call it the Swing Trading Ticker Tester because it promises to be a fast-paced, dynamic, and engaging competition. What I'm going to do in this video is give you a brief overview of the contest, show you how you can enter, and how you can get started making trades. So first, the competition dates. It begins Monday, October 2nd and runs to Tuesday, October 31st at the close. And of course, the really best part, it's totally free to enter. Anyone may enter this competition. Here's what you have a chance to win. First place, $500 USD for the person that generates the largest gain during the course of the competition. Second place is $250 USD, and third place is $125 USD. So there's a few basic rules I'll go over here, and you can read all of the rules once you get into the software. So first of all, there's $50,000 Canadian in initial investment. That'll be preset for you, and no single trade is to exceed $12,500 during the competition. The commission will be set to $4.95 per trade, and there's a $1 minimum price at the time of purchase, so you'll need to make a note of that. And the minimum 50-day moving average volume must be at least 25,000 shares. There's no shorting, but you can use contra ETFs. So you can select any trading system, one of the pre-built trading systems in the VectorVest software. You can build your own, and you can cherry pick individual stocks that you might want to purchase. And if you are cherry picking, you will use the Add Trade tool in Portfolio Manager, and I'll show you where that is. You can make individual trades at any time during the competition, and you can edit or change your trading system at any time as well. So let's go ahead into the software and I'll show you where this is. So here's VectorVest Canada, and it goes from the home page as the default. I'll click on the Portfolios tab right up at the top here, and you'll see we're into the contest portfolio. So from here, I can click on the Info and Rules tab, and I can get more information about the competition rules. You can see the link up here at the top. All right, and from there, once I've studied and understood the rules, I can click on Enter Contest. So it'll open up the contest for me. It looks like I've successfully entered the contest, so I can go to the contest portfolio. Just left click on that. And so it opens up with my portfolio all set up for me. Notice I have $50,000 of buying power. And from here, I can start to add my trades. So left click on the Add Trade button, and I can go ahead. You notice that the account is the competition, and I'm number 014 here. And so from here, I can add an order. Just click on the bottom left button, and I will have studied my symbol, maybe written it down, and I'm ready to add my trade. And maybe I want to start off with a bank, and so I can add National Bank, for example. And there's my action is to buy, and my quantity might be, have to make sure I'm under the 12,500 limit, but maybe I can do 100 shares here. Do it at the market open, and so it allows me to preview the order, get everything ready, and of course we're not quite open at the competition yet, so it's not ready yet, but that's what you would do, and then you would place your order. Place your order clicking on the button down at the bottom left. All right, so that would be my first order. And the other method of selecting stocks to purchase would be with the portfolio manager, the edit button here to set up a trading system. So at the top right, I'm going to click on the Edit button, and now I can select an existing trading system. So I can left click on that, and the VectorVest trading systems are here, and maybe you've back tested a system and have had good results, so you can click on My Trading Systems and then choose one of the trading systems that you have already created. Right? You can also build a custom trading system. Just left click on that button. If you have the auto timer, you can select market timing. And here we have the confirmed calls. You might be a little bit more aggressive since this is a swing trading contest. And so you could choose the DEW timing system, or even faster, the green light buyer or the primary wave. So whichever trading system you use, you would select in here. And then the automation rules up, you would select a search that you're going to be using for the system. If you have, again, the Pro Trader add-on module, you might consider the Near Perfect Indicator trading system. Here's the NPI crossing 3 days. Select your stop criteria. It's the recommendation sell, for example. More settings. You try to maintain as many stocks as you like, but you probably want to maintain 5 to 10 stocks in this portfolio. Automatically replace closed positions, and you can just use the defaults going forward. Close any open position, or you can make those decisions by clicking on Don't Close Any Open Position, and you can limit repurchases to 10 days or whatever you like, and you can even set the the maximum stocks per industry. For example, you might only want to have 2 stocks per industry group in your portfolio. You click on Next, and then you can choose the automation rules down, and you can go to cash, or for the swing trading portfolio, you might want to choose no action, make those decisions yourself, whether to sell stocks when the market turns bearish. And that's all there's to it. You're set up with your trading system. Do you want the Genius on or off? And we've got it on, so we can click on Save. And now you're all set when the competition begins at the open on Monday, October 2nd. You'll be all ready to purchase your stocks. They'll come up in your portfolio manager now that you've got it all set up, and you'll make that purchase. So quite straightforward, easy to set up your trades, easy to enter the competition. And I'll just go back to the slides and let you know that you can call our support team anytime between 7 in the morning and 11 o'clock at night, Monday to Friday, 1-888-658-7638 if you need any help or you have any questions about the competition. So thank you for watching, and good luck, everyone. Have fun.